How to restore a previous version in Google Docs. First of all, open your web browser and go to Google Docs at docs.google.com. Then, open the document you want to restore a previous version of. Once the document is open, click on the File menu at the top left of the screen. From the drop-down options, hover over Version History and then click on See Version History. You can also press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus H on your keyboard to open it quickly. A panel will appear on the right side showing a list of previous versions along with the date and time they were saved. Click on any version to preview it and see the changes made at that time. If you want to restore that version, just click the blue Restore this version button at the top of the document. Restoring a version replaces the current document with a selected one, but don't worry, all versions are saved so you can switch back anytime. And that's it. Now you know how to restore a previous version in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.